Next, sample problem number 3. The monthly demand for ice cans being manufactured by Mr. Flores is 3,200 pieces with a manually operated guillotine. The unit cutting cost is 25 pesos per piece. An electrically operated hydraulic guillotine was offered to Mr. Flores at a price of 275,000, which will cut by 30% less the unit cutting cost of money. So how many months will Mr. Flores be able to recover the cost of the machine if he decides to buy now? So etong 3,200 pieces, ito yung pinaka-demand. So that's monthly. So constant yan, no? Dito sa ating problem. Ngayon, kada isang piraso, ang production cost mo dyan is, or ang unit cost mo dyan is 25 per piece. Ngayon, syempre, kung mag-invest siya sa isang electrically operated, mapapagastos siya ng 275,000, pero in return, mababawasan yung production cost niya ng 30%. Ngayon, yung natitipid niya from using electric compared dun sa original na manual, so yun yung kumbaga savings niya within the month. So within the month, meron tayong makukompute na kumbaga change in production cost na pwede natin gamitin para makompute ilang buwan ang kailangan para mabawi niya yung 275. So, to compute this or to solve this problem, dito ko na lang isusulat, no? So, first, ito yung production cost niya kapag manual yung ginagamit. So, kapag manual, from the problem, we can assume na, syempre, meron na siya at present ng lahat ng kailangan to produce ice cans manually. So, ngayon, ang magiging production cost niya na lang, that's 3,200 times 25 pesos per piece. So that's in total 80,000. So meron siyang 80,000 pesos na production cost for the 3,200 pesos monthly. Now, i-compare naman natin yan ngayon doon sa gastos niya kapag gagamit na siya ng electric. So kapag electric, sabi sa problem, mababawasan yung production cost niya ng 30%. So, originally, 25. So, mababawasan ng 30%. So, what is 30% pa ng 25? So, 25 times 0.30. 0.30 decimal ng 30%. No, this is 7.5 pesos. So, basically, that's 25 minus 7.5. Ang magiging production per piece niya na lang ay 17.5. So, ang new production cost, so from 25 pesos, magiging 17.50 na lang per piece. So, ang total production cost niya para kay 3,200, that's 3,200 times 17 pesos and 50 cents. So, per month, ang magiging production cost na lang kapag electric ay 56,000. So, that's 56,000 pesos. So, ulitin natin, ito yung production cost monthly kapag manual, ito yung production cost kapag electric. So, syempre, mas mura na yung electric. Ngayon, yung difference nila, basically, mapupunta sa savings ngayon ni Mr. Flores. So, ang savings ni Mr. Flores monthly, kapag nag-electric na siya instead of manual, is equal to 80,000 minus 56,000. So, monthly, meron siyang 24,000 pesos na savings. So, this is per month. Ngayon, tinatanong, comparing yung savings niya per month, so ilang buwan yung kakailangan para mabawi niya yung 275. Kasi itong 24,000 a month na yan, mapupunta lang yan sa production per piece kung hindi siya nag-upgrade ng gamit. So, to get how many months, basically, ano bang pwede natin gamitin variable dito? So, time to ROI, basically. Pwede natin sabihin X na lang. So, X is basically So, divide lang natin. So, that's 275,000 divided by 24,000. That's 275,000 divided by 24,000. So, that's around 11.458 months. Sabihin na natin after 12 months or a year. So, after a year, nabawi niya na yung pinuhunan niya na 275,000 and then the preceding months na, so, kumbaga, additional na savings niya na yun. Kasi nakapag-invest na siya ng panibagong guillotine. Basically, ito yung ating answer for this problem. So, pwede nyo yung i-round up, no? Pero wala naman sinabi specific sa problem. So, for this case, kung meron mang multiple choice sa problem sana na ito, so instead of answering 11, so it should be 12 months, no? Kasi syempre pag 11, di pa niya nabawi. Meron pang butal. So, just to be safe, kapag merong multiple choice na ma-encounter sa mga ganitong klaseng problem, it is safer to answer. So, it is actually the right thing to answer yung round up, which is 12 months.